Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make an Excel template to split expenses among friends and colleagues. I'm going to share the download link for this template for you guys. It's mentioned in the description down below. I'm preparing this Excel sheet for 5 people to share the expenses among them. Please note all the columns are mandatory except column G. You can have column G as an option for creating a list of options to choose from. In column M, go to Data, Data Validation. In Validation Criteria, select List from drop-down list, and for Source, select Value in row 9 from H9 to L9. Once the drop-down list is created in M10 cell, drag M10 value till table end. All the information fed in columns and rows are self-explanatory, so I'm not explaining much on what is being entered. It's when you see it, you'll understand. Now let's talk about column H to L. Here again, each item there is a payment done by individual and this item is shared by many. So the one who paid the amount for an item must be chosen in paid by column, and one must be entered under each person sharing the item purchased. For example, item number 1. Item number 1 is tomato bought by person 2 but shared by person 1, 3 and 4. Then the amount spent will be equally divided among 1, 3 and 4, that is $4 per person. To share the amount, enter only numeric 1 against each item under the person. Let's add up. Total amount paid by a person, total amount owned by a person, and the difference. The formula in cell H3 says do sum only for values in column F if M column values matches with H9, that is person 1. In row 4, total amount owned by a person is the net total amount that a person must pay for sharing all the items. A difference is a difference of total amount paid minus total amount owned. So in this negative value in red color indicates that the person has paid more than the expenses he actually owes, and a positive difference value means the person owes that much amount to the person having negative value. Add a dollar sign in front of cell reference value to freeze those cell values. To check if this works perfectly, one must add all values in row 5 and must get 0. If you're getting 0, that means this format is working perfectly.